Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to ask you to stop misusing your imagination. In a lunatic hospital, the doctor gives one of the patient a paper and a box of crayons. The patient takes out the crayons and then he draws a head of a monster on the paper. Then he stares at the monster head and he screams loudly and he runs out of the room. The poor madman is scaring himself to death. Well, we may think, boy, this is so crazy. But we ourselves do the same thing every day. We use our crayons, that is our imagination, to scare ourselves instead to create something useful. Are you using the crayons of your imagination to draw monsters that freak you out? Well, stop doing that and stop watching those horrible movies. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye-bye.